Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you multiple ways on how you can get cloth in Stardew Valley. Basically, the easiest way to do this is to go through the skull caverns. Now, it's going to take you a lot of time to go through these skull caverns. First things first, you must get the skull caverns key from the mines or at the bottom of the mines. So just head over to this location right here. And then eventually you will be able to get through the bottom of it and unlock the skull cavern key. From there, just head over to the Calico Desert by taking the bus stop, and from there you then must fight your way through multiple enemies, and from there you then want to target this specific enemy called the mummy. So after killing it, they have a chance to drop a cloth. Now there's also an event on the Calico Desert on which you have to trade it on the merchant right here, which is going to be at the bottom of the Calico Desert. You must trade 5 eggs for multiple cloth. And basically, the easiest step to do this method is to get yourself to fishing number 4, which is going to be this one, and then you will be able to unlock a crafting recipe called the recycler. Now, unfortunately, I don't have that as of the moment because I am quite low level. But after unlocking the recycling machine, you then have to get yourself also a loom. Basically, this turns wool into fine cloth. The only question is, how can you get wool? Basically, you can get wool by making yourself a recycler, and from there you then have to get yourself a soggy newspaper. Now of course you know this by now since you are fishing a lot. This is a trash from any fishing locations, and then you must use the soggy newspaper on the recycler and it will turn it into a wool. From there you must use your wool into loom and the wool will turn into a cloth. And so those are multiple ways on how you can get cloth in Stardew Valley. If this video has been helpful, subscribe and like and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.